Usually the boiled eggs to make the deviled eggs with. And some of them for potato salad.
Took the shell off. Shell.
Yeah.
Peel the egg.
Alright, that's the extra shell. I have to half the eggs
You got
and take the yolk out, put it in my bowl where I'm going to mix it up to put back in the white. This is my bowl. Thanks, man. This is totally. You mash up the yolks. Okay. This won't take very long. Just want to break them up a little bit. Okay, so pepper, Old Bay, okay, some not a lot. Then salad dressing.
Does it make any difference, mayonnaise or salad dressing?
No,
We usually use
this is Hellmann's.
Hellmann's is what you use most times. Cause I love Hellmann's.
Yeah. I want them too wet because they won't stay together. Now we want to put the celery in.
How much celery is that?
About three short stalks,
Round up,
ground up.
chopped
I
up.
really didn't need that much, probably, but it.
In a bowl
Cut
of
up shrimp. All the cut up shrimp. Mix that all up. And need more, some more mayonnaise.
That's some good stuff too.
I think I need to open these jar though. I have been known to make them too wet. Of course, everybody makes mistakes. But most of the time, they turn out pretty darn good. I think they're just about good. And that's all it is to my famous deviled eggs. Oh, this is the Old Bay I'm going to put on top. And then, when I get that done, I'm going to put paprika on. And that's it. That's all it is. All done.
And they are fantastic.